Hello guys, in this video we're going to do the review of the Lenovo Ideapad 330 with the Ryzen 5 processor. Now coming to the specs, it has a quad-core Ryzen 5 with 2 GHz base speed and turbo boost up to 3.6 GHz. It has 8 GB RAM of DDR4 RAM and 1 TB hard disk. It has an integrated AMD Radeon Vega 8 graphics card. It has a 15.6-inch anti-glare 720p display. Now coming to the material and build of the laptop, the body is made fully of plastic, but the matte-like finish on the lid gives it a metallic look. The lid flexes under pressure. The laptop can be opened with a single finger, at the same time the hinges are not loose. Now coming to the display, it has 15.6-inch LED backlit 720p display and not full HD. But considering the price point of this laptop, you cannot complain. The color contrast is good, but not all viewing angles are comfortable for people. Now, if we come to the speakers are a bit of a letdown in this laptop. They sound good in a quiet room but not up to the mark when the location has a lot of noises. But again, considering the price point of this laptop, we cannot complain at all. Now, coming to the keyboard and mousepad, the keyboard is good for casual typing sessions but not suitable for prolonged typing. It has full-size keyboard with separate numpad. No backlit feature is supported in this laptop. Now coming to the trackpad, it has a smooth texture. It does not have left and right buttons, but it supports multi-touch gestures in Windows. For this price point, it's a very good thing. Now, coming to the ports and connectivity, it has a power port, LAN port, HDMI port, two USB 3.0, one USB-C, audio jack and an SD card slot. It has an 802.11 AC wireless card which supports speed up to 1 GB per second. Now, coming to my final opinions, many of you might be hesitant to buy an AMD laptop, but this is a good laptop if you're on a budget. Anywhere between below 35,000 would be the ideal price for buying this laptop. Anything above 35k, I would recommend you to wait for the price to drop. We will soon be doing a complete gaming review of this laptop. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech related videos. Thank you.